Hello everyone, in this video we'll solve interesting math question. Y to the power 2 minus y cube is equal to 12, y is equal to what? How to solve this question? So first of all, I can easily, this equation becomes, look, y to the power 2 minus y cube is equal to 12. I can easily, it will be y to the power 2 minus y cube minus 12 is equal to 0. Yes, I just move on this 12 in left side, it will be minus 12. Yes, now at this moment I can easily, here is exponent is 3, so it will be minus y cube. I just move on here and it is plus, look, here is plus, so it will be plus y square minus 12 is equal to 0. Now if I divide both sides minus 1, we'll find out here is y cube minus y square plus 12 is equal to 0. Yes. Now at this moment, look, here is 12. So 12, I can easily, it will be 12, it will be, look, 2 plus 10. Yes. And I can say 12, it will be 4 plus 6. Yes. 6 plus 6, it will be 12. Yes. And I can say easily 8 plus 4, it will be 12. And I can say 12 times 1, it will be 12. So we pick here is 8 plus 4, it will be 12. Because of that, 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. 2 to the power 2, it will be 4. So 8 plus 4, it will be 12. Now at this moment, I can say easily, here is y cube, look. So I can say y cube minus y square, and here is plus 12, and plus 12, it will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. Look, 8 plus 4, it will be 12. Now at this moment I can say here is y cube minus y square 8. It will be 2 to the power 3. Look, 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. And 4, I can say easily 4, it will be 2 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Now at this moment, this equation becomes y to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3, this 2 to the power 3 minus y square plus 2 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Now at this moment, I can say it will be y to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3, and here is minus is common, it will be y square minus 2 to the power 2 plus minus, it will be minus is equal to 0. Now at this moment, look, y to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3, it will be a cube plus b cube, and y square minus 2 square, it will be a square minus b square. Yes. Now we know that a cube plus b cube, it will be a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Yes. And a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. According to these rules, I can say easily, here is y cube plus 2 cube, it will be y plus 2 times y square minus 2ab. So 2 times y, it will be 2y plus b square, b is 2 square, it will be 4. Yes. Minus, and it will be y square minus 2 square. I can say easily, it will be y plus 2 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Now at this moment, I can say easily, here is y plus 2 is common. Yes, y plus 2, and this divide this, it will be y square minus 2y plus 4, and this divide this, it will be minus y minus 2. This cancel, and here is 0. Yes. Now at this moment, I can say easily, here is y plus 2 times, and it will be y square minus 2y plus 4, and here is plus, this is minus, plus minus, it will be minus y minus minus, it will be plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Now I can say this equation becomes, look, here is y plus 2 times y square, 2y minus y, it will be 3y, and 4 plus 2, it will be 6 is equal to 0. Now we'll find out here is two case. Our first case is y plus 2 is equal to 0, and other case we'll find out y square minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes. So first of all, our first case is y plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. So I can say easily here is y is equal to minus 2. Yes. This is our final answer. And others case, here is y squared minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. How to solve this question? It is a quadratic equation. So in this case, I can say easily here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6. Yes, c is equal to 6. So we know that here is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. According to these rules, I can say easily here is y is equal to minus b minus b is minus 3 plus minus square root b square, so minus 3 whole square minus 4ac, a is 1, c is 6 over 2a, a is 1. Yes. Now at this moment I can say easily here is y is equal to 3 minus plus minus square root 9 minus 24, 4 times 6 it will be 24 over 2. So we'll find out here is our final answer is y is equal to 3 plus minus square root minus 15 over 2. So I can say easily it will be, look, 3 plus minus square root 15, it will be 15i over 2. This is our final answer. This is the complex part and this is the real part. So we'll find out x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 plus minus square root 15i over 2. This is our final answer. Now let's prove. Our question is y cube y square minus y cube is equal to 12. Yes, but we'll find out here is y is equal to minus 2. So I can say easily minus 2 whole square minus, look, minus 2 whole to the power 3 is equal to 12. We'll find out y is equal to minus 2. Now at this moment I can say minus 2 whole square, it will be 4. Here is even number, so it is always positive. Minus 2 to the power 3, it will be minus 8. Here is odd number, is equal to 12. Yes. Now at this moment I can say easily here is 4 minus it will be plus 8 is equal to 12. So 4 plus 8 it is 12 is equal to 12. So I can say easily y is equal to minus 2. It is our right answer, and our other answer y is equal to 3 plus minus square root 15i over 2. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.